Hi friends, today we are going to see the normal knot from the wires. Actually, these are the plastic wires. So with this we can do baskets, and we can do other crafts, like we can do dolls. Mainly we can do dolls, baskets. So we can do very creatively things with these wires. So this channel is mainly for those people who can't understand Tamil. I've created another channel so that I'll do the tutorials in English. So you can just subscribe this channel for this wire related craft works. So today we are going to see the basic thing, that is the normal knot. Okay, so I don't know why I'm so very strict. It's like very strict and like a thing. Okay, so just let's do it very casually. So first, to do the normal knot, we need two wires. Okay, I've taken two different color of wires. One is pink and the other is blue. So to do the normal knot, we have to take wires like this. You just fold it. Okay, you have to just fold it. Okay, first we'll learn how to do the knot. Then we'll learn how to do the basket with the help of this knot. Okay, so first let us learn how to do this knot. So it's very simple. So you have to just take two wires like this and fold it like this. See, I have folded. Just fold it like this. Okay, fold it and take it in two hands, one on your right hand and one on your left hand, just like this. Then what you have to do is you have to put this right hand, I have the blue wire which is in my right hand, I am putting it inside like this. That is, I am putting this pink wire inside the loop of the blue wire. You can I'll just show it like this. See, I am inserting this pink wire in the loop of the blue wire so that I get a bow form. So after this, you have to hold this part. This part is very crucial. You have to hold this part. Okay. So after holding this part, so make sure you hold this part. So if you're not holding it, it will go loose. Okay, so once after the loop is created, that is like bow like loops are created, now we are ready to make a knot. So what we have to do is, see, in the pink wire you will be having, two wires. Okay, because we have folded, right? We have folded the wire, so we will get two wires like this. One is the good side of the wire, and the other wire you can able to trace out the back side of the wire. So now we have to take the back side of the wire and fold it on the blue. Okay, just you have to fold it like this. Make sure you hold this tight. If you just leave it, everything will get loosened up. So you have to fold it so that everything will be tightened. Okay, so this is what we have to do with the pink wire. Next, we have to take the back side of the blue wire. See, I am taking the back side of the blue wire and inserting it in the loop of the pink. Inserting means putting through the loop. See, I have the pink loop here. I am putting through the loop of the pink wire and then holding it tight. After inserting the blue wire through the pink loop, next we have to tighten up all the wires. Slowly tighten up all the wires. So we get a magic, that is the normal knot. Okay, this will be in between your hands, but after you take your hands, you can able to see the knot. Okay, so this is the normal knot. Very simple and easy, but for those who have just started to do the baskets, to just those who have started to weave the baskets. This is a basic step, the first step. First you should know how to do the knots, then with using the help of this knots we can able to do the baskets. So here on I'll be doing more tutorials in English, and you can subscribe this channel so that you can you can also try all those baskets whatever I'm going to do, and I'll be uploading in this channel. This is Mani Uma's Creations. You just do subscribe the channel. If you like this video, just click like, and click all notifications button too, so that you will get immediate notifications once I uploaded the video. So if you like this video, just click like. Thank you.